Assalamu alaikum. Now today I'm going to tell you some of the best tips to learn English language, right? Here are some very important and very useful information, right? I wanna share with you here about learning English language. Learning English effectively involves a combination of strategies and consistent practice. Here are some key steps I want to share with you. Number one, set clear goals, right? Set clear goals. Determine why you want to learn English, right? And set specific achievable goals which you can achieve easily. You must set all these specific goals. Number two, build vocabulary. If you want to learn English language, you must build your vocabulary. Learn new words daily and use them in sentences to reinforce your memory, right? It's very important for you. Learn the new words and daily use these words into your sentences to reinforce your memory. Number three, practice speaking, right? Engage in conversations with native speakers or language exchange partners, right? You must have the partners, just exchange your ideas, your communications, your expertise with the person so that you can improve your English language. Number four, listen actively, right? It's a very important. Listen to English podcasts and watch movies to get used to different accents and improve comprehension. This is very important. Listening is very important. The more you listen, the better you can be in your communication skills. Read regularly. The next word, read regularly. Read books, articles, and newspapers in English to improve reading skills and expand vocabulary through reading, right? Number six, write frequently, right? It's very important. Write frequently. Practice writing essays, journals, entries, or even social media posts in English. This is very important for you. Writing is very important. Write daily, write some of the things that you know about all these things. You must write the things so that you can improve your English very perfect. Number seven, take a course, right? Enroll in an English course or use language learning apps like you can say that which are basically belongs to speaking, right? You must learn from all these apps. Number eight, study grammar. Learn the rules of grammar, English grammar, to improve accuracy in speaking and writing. It's very important also. Learning grammar is also very important. You can create accuracy in speaking and writing. That's very important key thing for you. Number nine, be consistent. It's a very important aspect in your learning. Be consistent. Make learning English a daily habit. If it's just for a few minutes each day, it doesn't matter. But make habit, right? Whether it's just for a few minutes, each day, it doesn't matter. Be consistent. Consistency is a very important thing for you. Number 10, seek feedback, right? Seek feedback. Have your speaking and writing reviewed by others to get constructive feedback, right? It's very important when you will get the constructive feedback. It gives you a lot of things, right? You can improve yourself very perfectly. No, again want to just revise all the I want to just tell you again all the important aspect, important you steps to learn English. Number one, set clear goal, right? Number two, build vocabulary. Number three, practice speaking English in conversations. Number four, listen actively, right? And number five, read regularly. Number six, write frequently. Number seven, take a course, right? And number eight, study grammar. Nine, be consistent. understand, seek feedback. These steps are very important for you people to learn English language. Okay, follow these things, and if you like the video, just like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.